This recipe is brought to you by RecipeLion.com. We absolutely love making roasted smashed potatoes because they're really easy to make and look so good on the plate. Take some medium-sized red potatoes. I usually plan for 2 per person at our house. Rinse them off under cold water and check for any bad spots. To prepare them, just pour a little olive oil in your hand and rub each potato until they're all coated. Cover the baking pan with foil and bake at 400 degrees until they're fork tender. These took about 25 minutes in the toaster oven. Chop and mash 2 cloves of garlic and put it in the melted butter. Here's the fun part. Cover the bottom of a large can with foil and use it to push down on the potatoes, smashing them to just about 3/4 to 1 inch thick. Place the potatoes back on the same baking sheet and brush them with the garlic butter you just prepared. Add a bit of salt and pepper, just as much as your family enjoys. And then pop the potatoes back in the toaster oven just until they're starting to turn a little golden brown. By now they should be smelling fabulous. Cover each potato with some shredded Mexican blend cheese. Or if you want to be a little fancier, use grated Gruyere. It's delicious on these. To dress them up a little more, add some cooked and crumbled bacon pieces and place back in the toaster oven just until the cheese is melted. Top each potato with a dollop of sour cream and some sliced bits of fresh chive. You'll have a side dish your family will rave about. Mine sure does. Thank you to RecipeLion.com for sponsoring this video. Please subscribe to the channel to get more great recipes.